Hi there. This video will be discussing the work permit application after you've received an approval on the LMIA. Getting an approval on the LMIA is simply the first step. It's a difficult step, one that we can help you with, but that's the first step. It's employer specific, which means the employer was approved to hire a foreign worker. We still need to get the second step approved to get you into this country, which is the work permit. And a lot of times clients don't take this as seriously. The work permit is just as important as the LMIA. So this is employee specific. When you look at the work permit, we have to look at what was approved. So you look at the LMIA approval conditions. It tells you under what NOC, what wage, etc. Then we have to demonstrate that you are truly the candidate to do that position based on your work experience, your education, etc. Meaning you are the right candidate for this position. That's your first priority. The second is that you still have to demonstrate that you will exit this country. So you have to demonstrate your financial capability, your ties to your home country. Think of it as you need to demonstrate to the officer that this employer has chosen the right candidate to do this job. Your resume is important to show your experience. Look at the postings that your employer did. How many years of experience did the employer post for? And do you have that experience? Demonstrate that on your resume. Demonstrate that with employment reference letters from your past employers that you have this experience. Not just a reference letter that says your job title, but specifically that you've performed those duties. So again, demonstrating that you will exit this country, you have significant ties, financial means to leave, but also that you are the right candidate for this position. Together with an approved LMIA and approved work permit, you'll be coming to Canada. Thank you, and until next time.